She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 The present has no ribbon. Your gift keeps on giving. What is this I'm feeling? If you wanna leave, I'm with it. We've come too far to give up who we are. So let's raise the bar and our cups to the stars. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 to get lucky. We're up all night 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 to get lucky.
What's up? I'm back. I'm alive. My camera setup is jank. In a minute. Hello. How are you doing? That's better. What's up? Welcome back. Hello. Been a minute. I have a lot going on with my life right now, so. Okay, I think that'll be good for now. First things first. My camera setup is janky, and so it's a Fuji X-A5 I got off eBay because it was busted, the hinge for the screen. So I 3D printed a mount to hold the screen above it so it can be my webcam. Overkill. Definitely overkill, and there's like a HDMI to USB thing where the audio, the video comes through. So the first thing we're gonna work on today is I'm gonna print a little bracket to hold it, stop it from spinning. Should be quick. Let's get over here. We're gonna make it dummy simple. I'm gonna use my caliper here to get our measurements. We're just diving right in, but hello. Been a minute. I've been so busy. Surprisingly busy. This is the disc we're going to work off of. I'm going to make this doubly wide. And it's going to come forward a yay much. So basically if I make 9 of these, space them evenly, and have a cutout here, should be good enough to hold the camera upright. I don't think I quite can make that. So it's lopsided. So cube, the height of everything's gonna be 5. So they say this is 90 by 90. Bang, bang, boom. Okay, kind of get what I'm doing so far. this. Cool. Now I could just print this and just screw it in and it'd be fine. Which isn't the worst idea. Or this does twist in. I think I'll have a better time with it if I just have one screw hole in the middle. If I do this like here to here. Yeah, about 90 seems. It really wants to stick out 60 each side. Okay. So we'll. I know I'm not really great at translating my thoughts here. Yeah, it's 40's pushing it, so it can be 40 wide, and then the depth can be like 100. So say this is 80 by 100. Great. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna so the whole point of this plate is to prevent the like I said, camera from tilting over. I kind of like that this, if we go up to 36, this can sit in the locking ring, and then I can have plate. Okay, do you kind of get what I'm doing now? And then now I can do a hex grid and cut out some additional plastic. A, to make it more rigid by having like a stronger inner structure, but B, to make it look cool. Cool, and then the camera will screw onto this. Great, that's really cool. I like that. So then I want a like dit. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so cylinder. We can go like 16. Height is equal to plate Z. And then here's the magic. Cache FM is equal to 6. So for round objects, make it. I'm only doing this so that these stick out further, and I can really kind of see how far they go, right? So I'm not going to do that one. What's the syntax? Start step end. Great.
Don't cry, my friend, no more. 思い出して白い電気から祈ってた頃 Stay good, stay pure 輝く目で君は愛を見つめてた
The height never changes. I want to move this over and then up. Let's do
Love 少女たちのキャロ濡れた瞳で震えたガラスのオルゴール先に心も壊れやすいね
Yeah.
君は汚れの
I'll
な
say maybe
い
2.
人のまま
I can see
で
that.
いてほしい
Great.
よ Don't cry, my friend, no more.
So the distance is about right.
君の悲しみで僕が泣くよ Stay good, stay pure 雪になった夏が海へと帰るよ Stay good 少女のまま Girl, stay good, you make me take Stay good, stay pure つまずくたび僕は君を忘れない Girl, stay good 少女のまま Girl, stay good, you make me take
And I want this to go all the way
Stay
down.
good, stay pure 虹を見上げセイル掲げ
This
た
will be from X.
夏 Stay good
And I could mirror it. Honestly, it would be kind of cool to have it revealed here too. From 1 to 3. And it's gonna be from 0 to 2. It's not the end of the world. Go like 14. Yeah, and then I can bump this up to like 4? Nope, 2. 2.5 was right. Cause see, I want this to stay there. The spacing looks better. 12 maybe? Yeah, and then I can have like a go from 0 to 2. And hex times 2. That's pretty good. Sure, that's fine. I need this to go in both directions, that way and that way. And I need to make the offset. So I'll do the same thing here. Okay, that's gross. Wiring plus. There we go. You know, I could, because the offset's so great between these, have this be a hex as well. And then I can have this from, like, go from maybe 3 to 3. Get rid of you. Get rid of the offset. Sure. And then I can go from there to there. So I'm probably gonna need like -3 to 3 again. And so this I times hex times 2. J hex times 2. Lovely. It doesn't have to be anything better than this. This is just to keep my camera in place. Okay, let's rip it, see if it's any good. Trying to build a giant wall around a village. It's taking a long time. Yeah. I get that. I recently started getting into Satisfactory, and it is a massive time sink. I get you. It's cool though. It's cool. Minecraft is still around. I remember I wasn't old enough to have a credit card, and I had to pay my cousin like $20 to purchase it for me because my parents did not trust the site. Let's see, 3D models. I'll call this camera holder. That's scared. Not a great name, but we'll deal with it. So one of the cool things I've been working on is my own home server. So I'm gonna go to Kira right now. Load the thing up to be spliced in Creative. That significantly speeds things up. I'm gonna flip it upside down so that it looks less to print. Is code, sure. Go to my server. The home server has been a huge boon. I have Octoprint, so I can send files directly to my computer. I hit print. Connected. So this is what I'm looking at right now, which is all this gobbledygook is my Octo print instance. So I use Docker to spin up an instance of Octoprint to run on one of my ports on my computer in the basement. And I get it go, and this will start printing. So Bedrock or Java, I am a Java truther. I think Bedrock is awful. I just hate how it feels. Like, it's not good for mods. It's not good. Whoop. Oh, jeez. Not good for mods. Not good for it. It doesn't feel as good. Like, it feels like it's, I don't know, my inputs are drunk or something. Whenever I try to go between them. It's just, Java's so much better. Wait, I just smack the shit out of that. Okay, so this will take 4 hours-ish to print. So, not done by the end of this stream. So here's some of the cool things that I can do on my home server. Got my Octoprint. I got a Google Drive alternative here in my file manager. Jellyfin, which is a media server. All the stuff I pirated back in high school I threw on there, which is great. You know, like all my CDs are now digitized, and I can listen to music there. And this is just a computer, so it's like an intranet. It's all this is being served by my computer, just hanging out in my basement. And then I made this recently too, which is Pingus, which allows me to ping a bunch of my sites to make sure they're up and have valid SSLs. So this is the actual node process that the server is running on to check the backend, so I can do SSLs. But yeah, very cool. Let's see what he's saying. Even though I've only played the Java demo because I'm bored of natural love to bad Java playing on my Switch since 2018. Yeah, it's people like what they start with, and they tend to like hang out on whatever they begin with. I get it. It's hard to change. Change is tough. All right, cool. So that's done. That took 20-ish minutes. Let me show off what I've been doing satisfactory. Let me do a little code. Exhausted. I've been working like a dog. Started working out again, which has been good for me. Doing a play test tonight with some friends. Busy bee. I do really like this game. Where am I at? Okay. So this is my remote factory. I'm slowly... I just got to phase 3, which is very cool. And I've gotten into plastics and like crude oil mining. Got the speedy legs, I got the jetpack. My explorer is missing. Okay, coal. Another coal vein. So I'm going to be able to generate even more power down here. Oop, need this too. Yeah. Got 2 power plants down here with the battery backups in case anything happens, so I can keep the pump working. And my backup generator here. Let's go find my explorer and get back to the main base. It's a mess, and it's on the to-do list to clean it up a little bit. Can I make it up here? Nope. Wrong house, fool. Bacon mushroom. Where are you? What are you? Oh, it's in the... That's in a ditch. I'm not getting that back. I don't think I can afford another one. Yeah. We're walking back. Yeah, that is gone. Is in the void forever. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the factory kind of as is until I finish my phase 3 objectives, which are here. And at that point, I kind of want to have like a staged factory system where as you move along, it starts out as raw, and then like if you can construct it, that gets to phase 1. If you need to combine it, that's like a phase 2 thing. And I'm workshopping the idea, and I have a spreadsheet that I've been slowly creating of the times things take. And by slowly creating, I mean I've created the file and added the title, and it's on the to-do list. Let's make sure the print's going okay. We're printing. There's the cool space elevator. And here is my abomination. This was the this is all the copper processing area. Let's see. I'm not cooking here. Motors. Do I have any? Actually, I need like 5. No, none. No motors. What do you need? Stators. Stator needs pipes. This was the initial iron processing area, which I expanded down there, and now we're working on this. Yeah. What's up? Good to see you, Enchanted. Been a while. That's not pipes. I need pipes. Where are my pipes? There are my pipes. Great. Cooking on Scratch. Hell yeah, dude. If you got anything fun for me to see, feel free to share it. Alright, so I need motors, which means I need to pop in pipes here. Oh, I have plenty. So that'll get to work. Yeah, so this is sort of the stage one over here. This is where all the ore collects. I got a limestone thing here for making concrete, and a deactivated limestone down there because I just had too much. And then steel is over here. And these guys, because this is where the coal comes in. This is the power plant. Is that one? Is that battery empty? Shouldn't be. No, it's full. Okay, good. Good. Let's see. Some of us Freddy mod port in the Discord. Okay. I hate horror games, so let's do it. It should be full too. Great. That's the biomass backup. Cool. So I need some crystals and I need some motors so I can build that explorer to get back and forth to the satellite factory, I guess. It's not hard. Okay, good. My poor little heart can't stand horror. Let's see what we got here. Games. Okay. Turbo wrap. Improves FPS. Okay. We'll load it up. Let's just make this car first before I forget. Then we can move on over to checking out this game. Alright, so I need you to make crystal oscillators. Okay. I need a bunch of quartz crystal. Quartz crystal. Bang, bang. I need 5 of you. It's crazy how many games are oh, it's a rhythm. It's a Five Nights at Freddy's rhythm game. That's fun. And 6. There's like 10. While we're here. Oh, Friday Night Funkin'. Okay, I'm old, man. Oh, so it's FNF or FNAF. Got it. Oh, you don't need rotors. No rotors? Get in there. Get some rotors, make some motors. One short. Great. Work. Work. My machines work for me. Beep. Okay. Mainstream-ish 2020, 2022. Yeah. Height of COVID. Gotcha. Explorer? Yes! We're gonna call this... What are we gonna call this Explorer? Dorer the Explorer? Dorer the Explorer. That's dumb, I like it. Gotta go? Alright. Let's check out your game real quick then. Let's see if I can pop it up over here. Can I? Yes, I can. Aha. Not associated. What is this? Press it.
Three, two, one, go.
So wait, you made... This is cool, man. Oh. This reminds me of WASD. Okay. This reminds me of a.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is hurting my brain, man. I'm too old to react this quick. Ported a mod from FNF to Scratch. Sick. Okay. I'm struck. This is stressing me out. God, this hurts my brain, man. Now these freaking zoomers and your ADHD. God, this reminds me of trying to play Butterfly on a DDR mat and just getting my butt handed to me. Oh, God, that hurt my brain.
3, 2, 1, go.
We're not doing screen share on the stream, but feel free to record something. I gotta have like some layer of a filter. Nope. Nope. That's cool, man. Good job. That's sick. So what did it entail making that port? What did you have to do? Alright. Yeah, dude. Go take care of yourself. Do what you gotta do. I think I have to go through the fart field. Yeah, I do. Fueled by boredom when mess around. Those are great reasons to make stuff. Good to see you, dude. Welcome back to the stream. It's good having you around. Oh, I have never seen that before. What are you? Oh, it's not dead. That is terrifying. Ugh, I hated that. I hated that so much. I gotta go east. Over here? Perhaps? I gotta go this way. Yeah, definitely add that to the to-do list. Like a path over this. Okay, let's not fall into the depths again. No! Alright, this one. Okay. That was close. That could have been a lot worse than it was. I guess while we're on the subject of improving this, keep going here. Back up one more. Start the ramp on this one. No. Oops. Almost that way. I kind of really want to have just a straight shot if I can. We have plenty of resources. Yeah, okay. The grid snapping system does leave a little to be desired. I just feel like I'm not quite being heard by it. Like, go down there. Go down. I want it to be right there. Right there. Right there. Come on. Great. Now you can shoot straight across. Doing double legs is just one does not seem to be enough for cars. So one of the things I wanted to work on today was add a gravity animation to. What if I just shoot over this? Flat first. Though. I do think I want to have it just go over the mountain if I can. a shot. Yeah. Next, then we can go up and over. I think this is where I want to go. Here. Expose it this way. A lot of biomass. Great. Ideally want like a straight shot highway. Great, cool. Explore straight ahead. Cool. And you can start building up this way. Yeah. This weird lip here. Great. That takes me most of the way back. Minimize my ability to fall through the world if I can. Let's take out this biomass. Get that cooking. Another area for improvement right here. Is it the same cost? 5.2, 5.2. Okay. So. I want double ramps. Start here basically. Alright, let's go to you so I can start the placement. That's about right. Not there yet. I can start the foundation. The height I want. up, over, and then we have a straight shot. Awesome. Just keep throwing foundations at it. Okay, now I can have a ramp or two to get down. Wunderbar. Sick. So like I said, this is my biomass processing area. Wood goes in here. And any mass goes in there. No power slug. Don't really use these too much yet. Two more. I can use the sulfur for something, I think. Should have more. Yep, great. A little bit of coal. That's what shut down. Okay. Yeah, so I bet these started to shut down because they just ran out of biomass. So here, yep. Take some of that, throw that here. Failing. I think we're good. Let's make sure we know where so I'll be afraid in May. Okay. Just need 25 of these. The vertical part of that pipe's a little annoying. It just doesn't have quite enough gumption to get up the hill. But I can research you.
Research completed. Black powder recipe unlocked. New sulfur research available. Limestone for sure. Cilia I can use for gas masks, fabric, and biomass.
I say I need 50. I do. 30. And I need to make fabric. Fabric? Oh, it's the gas mask. I don't need the mask, I just need the... Where are the filters? Gas filter. Coal. Where's my coal? I just had... Yes. Aha. Perfect. I'll take it. Great. Awesome. Use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. Damn. Packed my schedule too tight. I am tired. Is anyone still here? Anyone still hanging out? Allegedly. I want to look at my print. Did it spaghettify? It did. I'm glad I checked. Hang on, I gotta go. I need to go fix my printer. Hang on. Yeesh. Oh, that's bad. Cancel, yes. Look at this. Look at this garbage. Bam. Right here. Look at that. That's coming apart. I gotta go fix that before it cascades. I'll be right back. Oh, God. Oh, no, that's not good at all. All right. That sucks. Let's change the orientation of this thing. Try it again. Go for like a 45. Okay. Disk. Replace. Just call it v2, drop it on. Why not? What's going on? Upload. Why not? Let's try to save it. V3, I guess. There we go. I guess the metadata is the same or something. Camera holder v3. All right. Oh, I'm tired. Just make sure my code situation set up right. Cool. All right. So we got a message from Ben. That's really cool. So it looks like on the Discord, Ben has scripted like downloading his metadata from Spotify and then turning it into a YouTube music thing. Cool. Nice. All right. So the main thing I wanted to work on today was an automated, not automated, board 3D, or 3D TSC. I want to take my payment cluster, meta cluster. Where is the payment modal? Show payment modal. Set show payment modal. Launch payment modal with parameters. Show payment. Okay. So we're gonna copy this and call this payment modal animated. Great. And I want to take this where I have an array of stuff. I want to, when I click on it, I want it to go into a bucket, and I want to be able to unclick the emojis. Now, question, do I, since I have a drop thing, I could make that a 3D thing as well. Oh, I am tired. Ugh, God. Two D is probably good enough. Yeah, I wanted this to be a two-part thing, one where I oof. I think I'm dead. I think I might need to call it here. I showed up. I have some new familial development, so I'm gonna be showing up on stream less, the like weekly thing. I don't think I can realistically sustain that at this point in my life. We can show up, we can say hello. Let's see. Mother's Day, wedding, vacation, picnic, wedding. It's gonna be a busy summer for me. So either I have to like pick a different day and not do this on the weekends, because I'm just packed, or something else. I got a new video cooking, which is nice. I think I need to go meditate and eat something before the play test tonight. So I'm going to call it here. Thanks everyone for stopping by. I appreciate it. Didn't do any coding whatsoever, but it's fun to hop back on stream and say hello to people and catch up. Hope y'all are well. I will catch you in another one. Deuce.